and part of prayer 12.
Prayer 11 and the 12.
Just part.
Part
Yes.
of 11. What is alive under prayer 11?
What is alive under prayer 11 are some of the functions and powers that the governor, that the fifth respondent would execute, and which have not been executed. My Lord, one of the functions that he would execute and which he has not executed is the appointment of a deputy governor, of which he has 14 days to do. By reference number 1 of 2015 and the Supreme Court. Yes, as advised by the Supreme Court's paragraph 61 of that advisory opinion, which we are happy to share with the court, my Lord. Let me see whether we can have it.
Yes, proceed.
Yes, my Lord, looking at that particular paragraph, that is paragraph 61, the governor shall within 14 days nominate a person to fill in the vacancy of a deputy governor. When that vacancy occurs. As it is, there's a vacancy of a deputy governor right now arising from the swearing in of the fifth respondent, whose assumption of office is unchallenged by way of this petition. My Lord, we are requesting the court because owing to the fact that he's already been sworn in, and that must occasion even an amendment to the petition itself to conform to what has occurred, and which we say that it's been conducted through an illegal process. We urge this Honorable Court to exercise its powers under Article 165 and expand Prayer 11 to
exercise its powers
under Article 165 and also under the Mutunga rules to specifically direct under the auspices of Prayer 11 that the fifth respondent does not make any steps towards the nomination and or appointment of a deputy governor pending the hearing of this particular application. And of petition. And the ground upon which we are specific on that position of deputy governor is that if that happens, then we shall be dealing with a third party, another party who is not going forward and affecting their rights once appointed. And Lord, we are anchoring our argument on the fact that
Council, you are answering your application. I said just lay down the foundation of your application. You leave until I give directions.
Yes.
Now, when you start seeking orders now,
Yes.
it is now urging the court to hear your application and also make orders. Not until I hear the other side. If they have no objection, I will proceed. But I have to hear whether they are ready, whether they are in a position to deal with this matter, because it's set down for mention, for directions.
So then you will wait until that happens.
Yes,
so
we wait and hear what they have to say,
Yes.
because now we are turning mention to a hearing, which I think some of you will always complain this matter was for mention, it was turned to hearing. We were not ready. And I do not want people to start saying, we are not ready when I've already heard your arguments, because I'll force them also to respond. I can see Kibe Mugai is very comfortable, Karunga is very comfortable, Madam there is very comfortable. If they have no objection, I'll let you go on.
Yeah, my Lord, it's only that as we seek for directions, we
Yes.
just wanted, we thought we should actually bring out our plight to this honorable court ahead of the directions, my Lord. Because at the point of directions, the court can actually, in an endeavor to preserve the subject matter of a petition, can actually deal with that question, my Lord. And the prayer
Mr. Mugai, can he proceed the way
Yes, we can't proceed. I can respond.
he can? Thanje, are you comfortable?
My Lord, I oppose Mr. Nyamo's application.
No, are you comfortable for him to go the way he's going?
My Lord, we are not comfortable.
But I'll let him finish, then you come and tell us why you are not.
My Lord, we were served on Friday at 12:47 p.m.
He is seeking that we preserve the subject matter. According to him, the subject matter is for the governor now. We have a governor in Kiambu because he has been sworn. He doesn't want the governor to discharge certain functions, like appointing the deputy.
My Lord, the reason we're having difficulty with this is that council has just amended his application at the bar, because the order he's referring to, there's no mention of the order.
I've not allowed him to amend because he has not moved the court to amend. It's like he indicates he would like to amend the application and the petition.
Then let him amend so that we can seek instructions and response.
Okay, I've heard you. Let him see whether he can complete somewhere. Mr. Anyamu?
Yes. My Lord, we do submit that the 14 days, my Lord, for the appointment of governor, the deputy governor, for the filling the vacancy of a deputy governor, kicked in the moment the fifth respondent was actually sworn in as governor for Kiambu. And my Lord, this process was undertaken unexpectedly of the petitioner and even members of the public, as the Assumption of Office Act, Section 11 read with Section 16, presupposes a 10-day window between the occurrence of vacancy of governor and the swearing in of the deputy governor to take over as governor. Besides, by the time this Gazette notice was going and that exercise was conducted, already this petition was arrived. And the court was seized with this particular petition.
Yes.
My Lord, the petition itself challenges the entire process from the county assembly all the way to the resolutions of the county assembly or of the Senate. But now we endeavor to expand it to even cover the swearing in and the Gazette notice by which the fifth respondent was sworn in as governor. And also the assumption of office by the fifth respondent as governor. So, in the meantime, my Lord, this Honorable Court is urged to exercise its authority and power, its supervisory authority, under Article 165, and also
which sub-article? Which clause?
that's what I want to check, my Lord.
3D?
3D, my Lord.
Yes.
And also Article 23.